Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today's video is going to be on a comparison of the e.l.f. sponge and the Beauty Blender's beauty sponge. So as you guys can see, they are almost the same shape, but this one has like that type of edge, and then it's pointy like the Beauty Blender there. The Beauty Blender is just round and then pointy. Feel wise, they feel pretty much identical. Maybe the Beauty Blender feels a little bit sturdier. This one feels softer. So let's talk about the price point. So this is $4. This is $20. I recently bought the e.l.f. cosmetic sponge just simply because I wanted to try a different sponge, because I no longer want to be paying $20 for a beauty blender. I mean, I love it, but I thought it was turn to try out a new beauty sponge. So with this beauty sponge, I can tell you guys I love it way more than the Beauty Blender, and let me tell you why. For some reason, this one doesn't soak up as much foundation or concealer as much as the Beauty Blender. You guys will see that with the e.l.f. Sponge, I was able to cover half of my face with only 3 pumps. And usually 3 pumps can go ahead and I can do my whole face. But with the Beauty Blender, there was a bit of splotchiness when I applied it. I also did 3 pumps, and of course you guys can even see it gets absorbed a lot way more than the e.l.f. did. So that is another reason why I really love this one now. And I feel that with this one, I can do my whole face much faster than the Beauty Blender, and it just does more coverage. It makes my foundation feel more dewy. Not because it's absorbing a lot of water. It just feels like I'm actually getting the full coverage that I paid for initially for the foundation, versus this one. I always feel that my foundation comes out a little bit dry. This one covers way more. It makes the foundation feel dewy, how it originally should feel dewy. I would say another thing is this one makes my foundations look a little bit more flawless than this one. I don't know what's the deal there, but I feel that ever since I've been using the e.l.f. sponge, my foundation has been looking way better than when I use a Beauty Blender. Another reason why I really love this one, like I said, I love the edge because I can fully stamp the foundation on my face and it takes less time than the Beauty Blender, but also how pointy it is. So you guys can see the Beauty Blender is slightly more pointy than this one, but I just prefer the point on this one way more because I feel like I'm not gonna poke my eye out. And I just really love how softer this one is. I really love how soft this one is compared to the Beauty Blender. And I mean, I can get like 5 of these for the price of one of the Beauty Blender. So I would definitely recommend, if you guys have been a big fan of Beauty Blender, to go ahead and check out the e.l.f. sponge, because I do love the e.l.f. sponge way more than the Beauty Blender as of now. The price, I don't know if the price will be beaten by any other beauty sponge. One thing is, I have to ask you guys to please, something that grinds my gears is when people call other beauty sponges beauty blenders. They're not beauty blenders. This is the original Beauty Blender. This is an e.l.f. makeup sponge. So please stop calling other sponges beauty blenders, because they're not beauty blenders. This is a beauty blender, okay? I just had to put that out there for you guys. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys found this video very informative about what beauty sponge to go ahead and pick out for you. Like I said, the price point is great, especially if you're starting out. And if you're just tired of the Beauty Blender, how pricey it is, I do recommend this one because it is $4. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, have yourself a great day. Go follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel so our family keeps on growing. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment, because I love to read your guys' comments. Bye!